Hello aspirants. Every year, lakhs of students, lakhs of aspirants dream to becoming IAS, IPS or IFS officers. But only a few hundreds make it. Why? Because it is not just about the hard works. It is about starts right. If you are beginner and confused, where to begin, what to study, how to stay consistent, then this is the only guide you will ever need. So let's begin your UPSC journey the smart way, the right way. Understand the exams and first before jumping into books and timetables. Understand the what the exactly patterns of exams structures and understands first exams and prelims is objective two papers GS and CSAT. GS containing 100 marks, 200 marks and 100 questions with two and a half hours for these exams, and also CSATs containing 200 marks but 80 questions. There was also 2 hours. Sorry, this is 2 hours for these attempts. And mains are 9 subjects. That is first essay. First paper is essay, second GS1, GS2, GS3, GS4, and optional. What you optional you choose, that is your decisions. And language paper, English language and other your regional language. If you come from northeast, you have no need to choose any no need to regional language. You just go for English language. An interview is a personality test, not knowledge, but how you think. So what is your personality? What is your thinking? Everything is uh, checked by the UPSC boards interview panel. So Lavasna is waiting for you. If you study hard, if you study smartly, you can qualify prelims and mains and interview. First you have to pass prelims. If you passed prelims, then you are qualified for mains, and if you passed mains, then you are qualified for interview. And after that interview, you are selected for as a IAS officer. You, if you rank onwards 100s, you get the possibility to become a IAS officers. Otherwise you become IPS, IFS or whatever another services are available. So UPSC is a 3-part prelims, mains, interview. Prelim is CSAT is qualified natures. You have to pass marks 33% number you have to need. And prelims GS paper is nature for ranking. So if you get GS papers marks wells, then you get very good chance to qualify prelims. This times prelims cut off going to 95, 96, and so mains is ranking. If you don't rank in mains, you are not qualified for interview or personality test. There was many books you have to need to read. That is Lakshmikant's Spectrums, the Hindu newspaper or the Indian Express newspaper for daily. For polity, Lakshmikant is a hot book, and history, spectrum, modern, Tamil Nadu board, ancient, medieval, Tamil Nadu boards, ethics is very very important. And first, if you don't go jump for these types of advanced book, you first base create your base to read NCERT. NCERT is giving you a good foundations. After that, completing NCERT 6 to 12 NCERT, then you go for history, spectrums, Tamil Nadu boards, ancient, medievals, and geography for GC Leong, and plus Atlas. Atlas is a map book. There was a need to know which country located where, which sea is located where. Everything you get in Atlas book. So economy is a serum or NCERT serums notes. You get economy very widely, and NCERT is very important. Budget plus survey is very important. You have to need to know what is the budget, what is the survey. And environment, you get Shankar IAS. Shankar IAS notes is very very important. You go through this, though you get must be passed. Current affairs, the Hindu, Indian Express, monthly magazine like Jojana and Kurukshetra, you have to read. But there was many other books available in market. Whatever you think it was good for you, you can choose. And make your plan to how to study, how much you to study. There was no need to study every day 16 hours, but you need to start consistently. That is 6 to 8 hours. If you are a workers, if you are a job, if doing job simultaneously, you want to study for UPSC, you can do it without lose your jobs. So divide your day, one plus theory subject, one current affairs plus revisions. Revision is very important. If you don't revise your chapters, you don't able to understand what you write, what you read, and there was very vast syllabus is in UPSC. So you have to must first prepare your concepts and then timely revise it. Weekly mock test, it's uh, very important for beginner. Revise your revise every Sunday and track your progress monthly. So this is very important, and you have to every day or 3 to 4 30 to 40 prelims questions you have to need attempt regularly. This is your uh, this is your main task. If you don't regularly attempt 30 to 40 PYQ or prelims related questions, you are downgrading yourselves, because there these times UPSC prelims questions are versatile in nature. That is very hard. If you don't understand how to attempt, and when you attempt prelim questions, you just not match your answer, that what you give answer, that is match or not match. You have to analytics approach. That's why my question was wrong, and why my question was right. What's the main factor I choose, and it was guessworks or it was my hard works, it was my strategy. So there was many tactic and many tips are available for prelim question attempting. You can go through my previous videos, that is we discuss prelims PIQ and prelims related questions everyday basis. You can watch this video. Thank you to listening our channels, and if you like our video, please subscribe and like share with your friends. Thank you very much.